It's July, and welcome to our next monthly release video. I'm Danny, Splash's instructional designer, and we have a super fun agenda for you today, starting with Zoom breakout rooms right in the product, a new theme, a brand new image element, and a whole lot more. So let's get into the specifics.
Hi everyone, Dana from Splash's product team here to tell you about some exciting enhancements to our integrations. I am so happy to share with you that you can now pull BlueJeans and Zoom unique URLs directly into Splash. By ticking the appropriate checkbox in the organization level integration settings, you can suppress the BlueJeans and Zoom branded emails from sending to attendees as they RSVP, and include those links in your beautifully designed Splash confirmation and reminder emails. We've even created special dynamic tags for each integration that you can use to help to deliver those unique links either as straight text or designed even further into a button. Since this is an organization level setting, we've also included reminders in the email builder to include dynamic tags if you have an active integration, and have also elected to suppress the webinar branded emails. Last but not least, you will be able to grab each attendee's unique link from the guest list if for some reason you need to provide it to them directly. I'm really excited to see how you utilize this new functionality, and I can't wait to hear all of your feedback. Until then, this is Dana, signing off.
Hi everyone, Zach from Splash here. I'm excited to tell you about our newest branded theme. It's called Dream. Maybe it's called that because Dreamforce is around the corner, or maybe it's because it's a field marketer's dream. There's two things you'll notice when checking it out. First, it's registration forward with an embedded form front and center, making it super easy for your guests to RSVP. Second, it's visually striking with an innovative side-by-side content block design that's going to instantly stand out. Speaking of content, this is not a content-dense theme. Every block was thoughtfully chosen and designed to be perfect for small to medium-sized field marketing events. In other words, there is no fat on the bone here. It is all center-cut filet mignon. Under the hood has everything you'd come to expect from a Splash theme. An array of email templates, a beautifully designed form, social media card, confirmation messaging, and virtual experience. Plus, it's super easy to brand, customize, and make your own. You could use Dream today for your upcoming Dreamforce and field marketing events.
Hey, I'm Faisal, Senior Solutions Member here at Splash. Excited to share some fun updates to our Zoom Embed functionality, specifically within the breakout rooms. With Zoom's new updates to the SDK, attendees are now able to seamlessly manage their experience within an event. Popping in and out of different breakout rooms or different sessions was never easier. Really, this is going to help set us up for a perfect hybrid event program. Attendees picking their sessions, picking their rooms, popping in and out is as simple as snapping your fingers.
Hi, my name's Lizzie Heyman-Harvey, and I'm a product manager of design tools here at Splash. Images are probably the most memorable part of any event page. They add character, texture, they build hype and show off products. They even add atmosphere to your registration experience. I'm proud to tell you that in our beta program right now, we have a new image element. This image element was created specifically for event page designers so that they can more precisely control the images on the CMS. This will save them time, and it will be a clean and seamless experience. Destin Sparks, the famous landscape photographer, said, "Photography is the story I fail to put into words." Start telling your event story better and faster, and sign up for our beta program today.
As always, there's more features coming, so hang in there. We'll see you soon. This is Danny, signing off.